Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 168, how to read JSON file in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is a already run project. Localhost PSP my admin already run. This real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11, this is a database. Inside this is a list of table is available, and this my project is available gem folder. Inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's minimize, and this is directory inside cmd open. Successfully this directory inside is a working fine. cmd. Let's run PSP artisan server and enter PSP artisan server and enter. Please wait, this is a command is a run. Please wait. PSP artisan server and enter. Please wait, PSP artisan server. This is a wait, this run PSP artisan server. Please wait. Successfully working fine PSP artisan server. Let's copy this URL and hit this browser. Hit this browser. This is a PSP artisan server. This URL is a copy and hit this inside. This is a browser, and please wait, this is a run. Successfully this is a project is a working fine. This is a latest version. This PSP artisan server and project is a run good. This is a working fine. This is a run, and this my project inside this is available. This is a folder, route folder. Inside this web.php available. This folder is open. Inside this is a new route is a create. This is a get route. Let's route get. Inside this read JSON, and this is a control already available. Don't new controller is a create. This is a copy and class, and this is a inside the same name is a copy, and this index less index, and this is a create, and this is a controller already created, and this is already included. This controller is a included. This form controller, and this app http controller, and this is a form controller. This is a controller is a available form controller. Inside this is a new function create. This function is a create, same name is a copy, and inside this is a new function is a create public function paste here, and request $request, and this is a inside this $request in this is already implementation. This is a request is a already implementation. Let's dd www.errorsolutioncode.com and save file. Successfully save file, and this is the same name is a copy and slash and enter. Successfully working. This is a working fine. This is a show good working. This is a working fine. This controller inside this route is a working fine, and this is a name is available in this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. URL to help 24/7 anytime. Contact WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype is always available. And this is my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all social media, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Let's run. This is a remove, and first of all this is my project is available. This project app inside this public inside this is a not available data folder. Let's check this data folder is available. Let's minimize, and this data folder public inside this is a not available data folder. First of all this is a data folder is a create. Let's data folder is a create. Data folder is a create. Successfully create data folder, but this is a folder is a successfully create. This is a blank. Inside this blank, let's inside this is a new file is a create. File name is a info JSON file is a create. let's file, inside this right click, and this is a new file in info JSON. This is enter, successfully this is a create, and this file is a blank. Let's check, this is a create, good. Let's step by step inside this write down code. This is a write down code. Let's name on name, and this is the name is a error solution code, and this is a close this. Again, this is not a single quote. Single quote is a error, only double quote email, and this is a error solution code. This is a @example and .com. This is a example is a set, and this is a age, not a single quote, only double quote. age is a set, and this is a 40. This is a age. All good. This is the file is a save. This file is a successfully save. All good. Inside this is a implementation. This is a file read content JSON file. This is a file is available. This is a JSON file. This is a extension is a JSON, and this is a read, and this is a read the content JSON file. This JSON file is a $JSON. JSON is equal to, and this is a file get contain, and this is a public path. This is available. This is a public folder. Let's public path. This is a public path. Inside this is a folder is a create. This is a folder name is a data folder dot otherwise slash. This file name is implement info JSON. This is info dot JSON now, and this is a close, and dd $JSON. Same name is a copy and paste here, and this is a set. This is a name is a implementation. This is a by default. This is a compulsory is a implementation. This is a folder name is a data folder. This folder name is available data folder. Inside this file name is a set JSON, and this is a save file, and dd is a print save file. Let's refresh this page. Let's check, refresh this page. Successfully this is available rn. This is a t. Let's implementation convert. Let's convert. This is a encode data. This is a decode data is implemented. Let's remove, and this is not use. Decode data is a set. This is a decode data is a implementation. Decode data $data new variable create JSON decode. This is a decode is a set, and this is the same variable copy, and this is a paste here, and this is a true is a set. True is a set. Let's return response, and this is the same name is a JSON, and this is a $data is a pass. This same name copy and paste here, and this is a save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this is a JSON format is a set. Error solution is, and this is a successfully API JSON format is a set. Only single code. Let's inside this is a new implement. This is a new implement slash gender is a set, and this is a mail is a save file, and this refresh this page. Successfully next is a gender is a set. This is a JSON format is a record. Decode data is a working fine, and this is a number is a set, and this is a string. Save file and refresh this page, and this is a number is a string. All good. This is the example. This is the email name, and this is a JSON file is a working file. The same name is a copy and paste here, and this is a remove. This is a set. Refresh this page, and this refresh this page, and this is a single, not a working file. This is a not a working, only single JSON, not a two. And this save file and refresh, close this, refresh this page, only single JSON is available, not a multiple. And this is a only get single record. This is a fine. Save file. Again refresh this page, and this JSON is a working fine. All good. This is a row wise set. This header wise is a set. All good. This is a video is a done. Please write down step by step all. This is a working fine. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.